This 2025 Forest River Campsite Reserve 23LM is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 8, smoke detector, LP detector, oven, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, slide-out, water heater, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Campsite Reserve 23LM is 6,269 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.